Spirals are galaxies that have two distinct regions. The disk is a region of a star formation that has a deal of gas and dust. The disk of a galaxy contains the spiral arms. The central bulge is devoid of gas and dust. As you might expect, the bulge is composed primarily of population 2 stars. Type C spiral galaxies have the most gas and dust. The Milky Way has gas-formed stars and it continues to be compressed. This motion forces everything to be kind of a rotating disk. When a protogalaxy stars develop at the same time, you'll have an elliptical galaxy on your hands. We live inside of a spiral galaxy, and that's why it is so cool to study. And the future of our humanity lies in our galaxy.
Dark nebulas are very irregular nebulas that have no defined outer boundaries and are so large that they are visible to the naked eye. Some examples of dark nebula are the Great Rift and the Coalsack Nebula. Dark nebulas are formed when massive clumps of matter combine and become very dense, opaque masses. They play an important part in the formation of stars.
White dwarfs are the glowing remains of the center of stars. They are white hot and very bright. Examples of white dwarfs are Sirius A and Sirius B. White dwarfs are formed when red giants don't have enough mass to become either a neutron star or a black hole. White dwarfs are the last stage in a star's life cycle. White dwarfs are important to study as they are the final evolutionary stage of 97% of stars.
Venus is our second planet from the Sun. It orbits every 224.7 days. It is known as the terrestrial planet. The planet is completely obscured by the thick blanket of clouds. It is known as Earth's sister planet. The atmosphere is 96.5% carbon dioxide. Most of it remaining is 3.5% nitrogen. The atmospheric pressure is 92 times that of Earth. The distance from Earth to Venus is 8 million kilometers. From the Sun, it's 108,200,000 kilometers away. Venus is the planet second from the Sun, between Mercury and Earth. The probes that have passed Venus are Venera 4, Venera 5, Venera 6, Pioneer Venus 6, which passed Venus 4 times, Vega 1, and Vega 2.
Europa is the sixth closest moon to the planet Jupiter. It is slightly smaller than Earth's moon, has a frozen outer crust, and is one of the smoothest objects in our solar system. Europa's atmosphere is very tenuous and is composed mostly of molecular oxygen. Unlike the oxygen in Earth's atmosphere, Europa is not of biological origin. Europa has a possible subsurface ocean that may contain life forms.
Nothing can escape a black hole, not even light. Black holes are formed when sufficient amounts of mass deform spacetime. Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their life cycle. It is important to pay close attention to black holes as they could one day be a threat to Earth.